Welcome back with Goa 365 with me, with the Taekwondo Grandmaster Hill Cho Taekwondo System Action International Martial Art. I have with me my assistant, this black belt Shannon Rosario, and my black belt instructor Prasad Kunikar, and myself Vincent Rosario. So we'll start today with a new episode. So little higher warming up and the higher technique with all previous blocks and kicking this. So now we'll start with the warming up techniques from here. Ready? Chumbi. Charat. Nge.
So.
Yeah. Relax. Neck rotation left to right. We'll go a little faster now. Just opposite. Bend to the side, left side. Change, right. Turn to your left, to your right, slowly left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In front, press a chin in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So join your legs, we'll do little jumping check today. So watch it from here, 1, 2. Okay, so 1 here and 2. Do with 1 count. So 1, 2, ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. So hands here, this on your hip, rotate your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs out. Right hand touch to your left toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start alternate. 1. Look up. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again here. Catch your knees. Left side down. Press it. Left side down. Yeah. Left side. Left side. Change. Start alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up. Spread your legs. Palms down. Press. Okay, spread full. Try to spread more. So only spread how much you can. Don't put pressure by yourself. So if you can spread full, you can spread full. So when you're practicing, you have to think yourself how much you can. So you have to avoid the injury. So but you have to try to force yourself to spread more. Turn to your left side. Both the legs straight, front toe up. Front toe, keep it like that. Change. Okay, up. Slowly up. Now it depends upon what you will be doing and this. So exercise, the warming up exercise we have a lot. So but we have to do as per the what we are practicing that day. But if you do this, if you are doing the full swing classes regular or something, the warming up, all this combination of the warming up, you can add it more. So you will body will get more warm up. Okay. So now from here, take your right leg behind. And hands over here and touch your right knee to your shoulder over here. This. So lift and up over here. Yes. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So 1, body straight. So don't bend your body like this. Body straight and the knee touch to your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again change your leg. Now swing your leg. If you want, keep your leg like this and swing from inside to outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. 1, 2, other hand here. 3, 4, 5. Okay, come up, relax, Chumi. Okay, now from here, we'll go forward stance. So take your right leg behind or left leg in front. Okay, again come up. So here you take your left leg in front and do the lower block. Shout, understand?
Yes, sir.
So from here you go like this. Think that somebody caught your hand like this. From here, when you are standing, think somebody who caught your hand over here. So you're moving in front over here. This. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So when you are standing over here, ready?
Yes, sir.
1. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So shift little behind. So from here, you move this, either you join your legs and move it like this, or direct you move over here, step, and then punch. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And come back. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Again, block 1, 2. Again, come back. 1, lower block. 2. Again, 1. Right leg behind. 2. 1. So first you step. Otherwise, if you can do both together. So step and a punch together. So as a beginner, what we are doing is like this: 1, step, and 2. Okay, but in the real, once you understand the block, you don't do it like this: 1, 2 over here, and this. So this both stepping and punching should go together.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So from here, 1. So strong stance. So don't keep your both legs straight over here. So with this stance, you won't able to balance. You will fall. So that's why broad over here. So you can balance by yourself. When you stand over here, so you won't able to get balance over here. So you have to stand it like this. So same way, this much big stance, forward stance over here. Ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, block. 2, punch. 1, 2, 1. Push your shoulder this. 2, 1, 2. Is the same over here. Once you over here this. 1, here. 2, boom. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I catch over here. 1, boom. 2, 1, 2, 1. Change your leg there. Front hand lower block. 2, punch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Change your leg. So now we do inner block the same way. So 1, 2. So move this, boom, bam here. 1 block. 2, 1. So not here. So when you're moving, not from here, from here. 2, punch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change the leg. So step back, left leg behind. So same way, outer block. So hand to the outer block, right leg behind. 2, punch. Again, now make sure you take your hand like this. What I said first, step 1. So this. If I don't leave and the block is hard, I go over here like this. So throw, then punch, moving in front. 1, step back, 2, punch, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, change your leg. Same thing, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, change your leg. Okay, understand this? Ready?
Yes, sir.
So, front hand rising block, 1, 2, punch. So, 1, 2, charge. 1, good. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, change your leg. Rising block. Keep your head to the rising block, upper block. 2, punch. 1, 2. Make sure when you go back, you turn the shoulder like this, because when over here, when you're moving this over here, you're turning the shoulder because you're going away. When somebody catch, you're going away, you're avoiding it. So moving the shoulder over here, bam, punch. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So move this shoulder, boom. So move, bam. Yeah. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Back move. 1, rising block, rising block. 2, 1, 2, change your leg. Lower block. Did a lower block. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now change your leg. So make sure when you're doing the lower block from here, lower block, you're moving this, here this hand, boom. You hit this over here. Here, when somebody catch you over here with the defense, this, move this, boom. Here. Right leg behind.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Lower block. Step in front, punch. 2, 1, 2. Change your leg. So step back, lower block. Come little in front. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up. Relax. Nice breath. Now we'll same thing, all these 4 blocks we'll put in the practical way with the fighting stance. So till then we'll take a short break. Stay with us. We'll take now a little short break. Stay with us with Goa 365. With this we'll take a small break. Stay with us. Don't go anywhere. See you back soon. Okay, welcome back with me, Vincent Rosario, Goa 365, with the self-defense classes of Taekwondo. Ready, Chumbi? Charat? Yeah. So now we'll put this everything in the practical way. So now this what I said is this is our traditional stance. So this stance, develop your leg, develop your balance, how you can control, and this mostly used in the self-defense. Self-defense. For example, now somebody catch me over here and try to pull. So if I am standing over here, I may go with him. But when somebody catch, if I go over here like this, either riding stance, this is called a riding stance, or forward stance. For him it's difficult to pull me in front. So because I put what happened, the human being, the more than 60% weight is above the hip. So when somebody catch and pull over here, so my body weight goes there, very easy I can fall on him. So but when I go with this stance, for him is difficult because I take the base strong from the ground. So for him it's difficult to take it. So if he pull, if he's strong, because what we think the opponent is always strong. So if he pull me hard, maybe he's strong, stronger than me, so I move it like this. So from here, if I with the same stance, with the traditional stance, either I can use my knee over here, and take him down over here like this. So, or from here, I can break him down like this. So, that is what the traditional stance is used for the defensive way over here. So, 100% I have to bend, especially my front leg. It doesn't matter which stance, but there should be always the leg facing to the opponent. That leg has to be bent. It doesn't matter either you take left leg in front or right leg in front. Okay, now with the same, we'll go with the from traditional stance to sport stance or fighting stance. So now same, the forward stance is deeper over here. So the distance between the leg, this breadth is the same. So only but half over here. And if you want, you can turn your front foot little 45 to your inside and body straight, or you can do it like this and hands cover over here. So hands cover your ribs and half of your face, so you can see it in the front. So from here you can put all 4 blocks together for your defense side. So all block doesn't come from here now when you put in the practical way. Is everything come from here, either lower block or something come from coming to your outside, you do outer block, something coming inside, you do inner block. So 1, 2, 3, 4 upper block. So then this hand you're shifting and punching over here. So when you're punching over here, make sure you move your hip, you're lifting your heel and pushing your shoulder. So from here it is 1, over here either you block, so this distance over here you move it. So balance the weight in the middle. So if an attack come over here, you move, avoid it. So first you are shifting it, you are not moving from your place, you are shifting over here this, you block and you are covering this over here. So this is the inner block. So if you want a outer block, you go over here again, you are covering this hand over here this. So this is what our system is of Grandmaster Heel Chow. So from here, the same thing you're putting in the practical, you're covering over here to your outer block and punching. So from here, if you punch over here, you can do the front knee over here, punch, catch it, boom. You can step over here, you can take the sweep over here and take the opponent down. Okay, yeah. So that is what now we'll put everything in the practical way. Ready, Chumbi? Go down your fighting stance, take your left leg in front. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Go down. Here. So from here, launching punch. Launching punch means front hand punch. So make sure again, you move your shoulder little this. So shifting yourself over here and the horizontal punch in front. So what you learn first with this punching, you're making it with the fighting stance. So fighting stance again this, from here, front hand this, is not reaching. So just hitting it, boom. So going and touching over here this, boom. So here, shifting yourself in the front. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So launching punch, with the launching punch means front hand punch. So shift yourself, boom, here. So take the grip of the ground. So grab it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ready? Again, 5th count, shout, try to shout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure when you punch, you don't take this hand behind. Because what happens when you with this stance, somebody hit you over here, you block it, and this come over here. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So from here, you block with this hand, so your punch come over here. So make sure you don't take this hand behind. So body should be covered over here. Here, this. So you don't take this like this behind. So you're keeping in the practical way, you're keeping your body open. So from here, this. Shift yourself, hand, because only this one hand will go out. So if this is going out, this will cover over here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with the front hand punch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. So again, make sure when you're punching, you don't take it this again here like this. So this system, Grandmaster Cho system, is not like this. Bam. No, again you keep your body open. Again you keep your body open over here. So we don't take it. So here what this, you learn to generate your force over here. Bam. From here only. Bam. Bam. Understand?
Yes,
So it will go like this. May I have that pad, please? So it goes from here. So again, if it's this over here, pull. So this hand not like this, or this not like this. You keep it over here open, this. So not this. So here. Again you are guarding yourself, you are covering yourself. Again at the same time, this leg cover your groin over here. Over here. So if I want one, if the attack come over to me like this with this hand, 1, 2. If I want, I can go inside hit, I can go inside with the front kick, or if it's too close, I hit the knee over here, I can take him down. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Ready?
Yes, sir.
So left leg behind, so front hand this point. So shift yourself. 1. So don't take your hand behind like this, not like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now again. So now front hand punch, reverse punch, back hand punch. So you make sure again, hand not like this. Here this. 1, don't change your eyesight looking in front. Punch it at the horizontal like this, just away. 2, straight punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the leg. So front hand punch, reverse punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Change the leg. So now same, we'll do this. Hands over here. 1 inner block. Just over here. Simple. 1 inner block, backhand punch, reverse punch. So 1, bam. 1, bam. 1, 1. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So 1 here same, inner block, 1 block, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Go 1, 2, back cover this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Change the leg. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change the leg. Same outer block. So from here, just shift behind like this, little behind. Shifting your body over here. 1. Shift inside this. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So shift this here. 1, boom. 1, boom. Ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the leg. So here now lower block. So now try to shift your hip little like this. Because with something coming, for example, the knife is coming on you over here. Here, you shift it behind. Here. So shift, react it, bam. Here again, boom, boom. So shift your hip little like this. 1, here, 1. Understand?
Yes, sir.
1, bam. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to twist your hip when you're punching. 1, boom. 1, boom. Hey, this. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So from here, 1, boom. 1, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. Very good. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, change your leg, same thing. Upper block, punch. Now upper block, again something coming on your face, because it's not coming like this. Something coming on your face like this, face level. So you do upper block like this and punch. At the same time you shift your shoulder, this boom. Okay, 1 here. So with the same motion, it's not like world system like this. 1, 2, no. By the time the opponent will use this. So body shift, boom. Here like this, okay? Boom. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your hands should not go down. 4, 5. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to me. Now with this, now we'll go one self-defense technique. So now self-defense technique is like this. The first now basic attack. Somebody come and grab it to you. Try to catch you or hug you. Over here at the shoulder level, 1. Okay, from here, 1. Either if you're able to block it, you block it, or somebody catch over here, your hands over here to cover yourself. So maybe if a strong person, if you try to catch that, if you try, when somebody caught you already, maybe you don't know, somebody catch you like this. And if you do it, this is not going to get open. So either from here, you step it down, over here like this. You press this hand over here. Either like this, you use this. Okay? If your hand goes inside, you go this, cover yourself, you punch over here, you punch over here. If your hands, by mistake, you never know what you are doing. From here, you go down, your hand over here. So you are covering this, both hand of the opponent over here. So it's the same like you are preparing the lower block over here, from here, boom. So from here, forget about the hand. You don't try to lift this hand. This is not going to get open when somebody catch your dress or uniform or something. So you won't get it, you won't be able to open. So from here, either like this or like this and this. So 1, 2. So front kick. Either knee is not reaching, you use the instep. Understand? So from here, so the way to practice of doing it like this from here, boom, boom. Okay? The same way we'll practice it over here. So standing over here, we'll do with a 3 count. So from here, 1, okay, 2, kick. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Change your leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now change your leg. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So from here fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shout. Okay, third count if you want. Shout. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Go. 1. Back. 2. 3. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3. Up, Chumbi. I hope everybody enjoy with this self-defense technique. We will come back with you with the more self-defense, more exercise, more techniques. Keep on watching Goa 365 with me, Vincent Rosario Taekwondo training session. Thank you for watching. Be with us.